Okay, so today we're doing a second repair bay video. This time we're doing Game Boy Color speaker repairs. So I'll just get started on those guys. Just quick show off everything we got. So we have the capacitors themselves that need to be replaced. Comes in a 3-pack since there's only 3 that need to be replaced. Just all the tools, equipment, testing cartridge. These guys need the speaker repairs. These guys just need general cleaning out. While I'm here, figured I'll just do both. Tools, cleaning supplies, and then the camera to actually capture, the repairs. But we'll just jump right into actually repairing those. See how it goes. Hopefully this is a short video. If not, something went wrong. Alright, so let's get started on actually repairing this. I got a Game Boy Color. We'll start with one of the ones that actually needs the soldering job, and we'll just kind of do time lapse after that of everything else. We'll also just clean up the inside while we're in here. Sometimes the contacts and stuff like that can be a big issue of things just not being clean anymore. As well as like the speaker, I don't even know what it's called, the slider, just to get the sound up and down. A lot of time that gets dirty and causes issues as well. So since we're doing a speaker repair, it's best to just get both out of the way. With the cleaning part, you can definitely just do that at home. Honestly, it's really, really simple. It's more so the capacitor repair that's going to be the hard part, quote unquote. There's the 3 different capacitors right there, there, and there. So this one's the ones that we need to replace, but let's get off the board and everything. Unattach the ribbon cable there. That's the screen. So when you do screen mods, you just plug that in there. There's the board. Easy peasy. So don't really need this for now. Might clean up those contacts before we reassemble it, but other than that can go to the side. Same with that guy. And then these are the outside screws, put them together, and the inside screws. There's just 2 points on either side that I need to unsolder. All right, let's heat it up now. One off. All right, all 3 are removed. We'll flux the area real quick. Oof. I think I left this in the car. So it's all on one side now. Just melted from the heat a little bit. So I just gotta, add some new solder to each of the spots there. It's looking mighty fine. Lastly, we'll just put on each of the parts. So negative will be black end, positive will be the silver end. And rocket it across. Two on. Well, 3 on, but I did realize, however, this is the old one. Way easier to do with my hands than it is to do with tweezers. So that is one. 2, 3. Real quick, we'll just clean it up just to make sure everything's, in the best condition it can be. This is the potentiometer. Forgot that word earlier. Potentiometer for the speaker. It's the slider for the audio, essentially. Best to keep it clean. Really get alcohol in there. And make sure it's good. The other areas would be the contact points, which are here, 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 and then these two. They're kind of already labeled. You can see start, select, right, left, up, down, A, and B. So real simple. Tells you right on the board. Cleaning these as well will help with contacts. They're really not too dirty in general. Probably because this one has already been cleaned in the past, because this one was working fine until it stopped and the speaker just started dying on it. I'm upside down. Normally, you should not do what I'm doing right now and putting all the screws in before testing it. It's a terrible idea. We're just gonna hope to, pray that everything just works and I don't have to do this again. There are some technical difficulties, so there's always a chance that I screwed up something. Not coming apart. Load in 2 batteries. Put that in there. Volume up. We'll see. Hey! So sound test. It seems to be working. That's better than I've heard one in a long time. I don't really need to test everything else. Everything else should be fine. I mean, we'll double check the buttons real quick, but should be good. Control test. Perfect. So yeah, it works. Yay! Time to get started on 1, 2 more, and then, clean out the other 2, and we'll be done. So let's do a time lapse of that, test them out, and see where we're at. Just finished doing all the repairs, doing the capacitor replacements, doing the cleaning. Now I just gotta test them all through real quick and just see how that goes. Hopefully no issues. So 2 of them do not work still. 2 of the ones I replaced the capacitors on. So real quick to show what's happening. The one, can I hear that? Put it on the mic. So it's making some sound, but it is not correct at all. And then the other one outright just isn't turning on. So I think I just have to resolder a little bit, and hopefully that's all that needs to be done, and then they both work. So fingers crossed. Let's try this one more time. Turns out the speaker was the issue. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like kind of rusty, gross, bad. So I replaced it on it, and now that's been replaced, you can see. Controller test. Sounds completely normal. So, one redeemed. Wasn't my fault. Was the speaker's fault. Awesome. I did resolder the other parts as well, just to, make sure, but I don't think I needed it. Just needed a speaker replacement. So that's all set. Now, last one, and then we'll see if we get 3 for 3. Well, as soon as, we're back. As soon as I was about to do that test, to try to get it going again, put in the batteries, and it just turned on without me having to even mess with it. So I guess it just needed to dry a little longer or something with the alcohol I used to clean it out. No idea why that is, or maybe the batteries just didn't make contact before, and I already tested it out. It works fine. Same with the other one, just to show off real quick that they're the same color, but that they both work. This is the two of them. Take that battery out of there. And here. One-handed is kind of hard. There. And so yeah, they both turn on now. Miraculously. No idea why. But that's a success. So we got 3 total repaired with the replacing the capacitors. 1 needed a speaker replacement as well. And the other 3 just needed a cleaning. So we're all set. We have 6 fully operational Game Boys now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.